Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are well and doing good and quite busy in these days. So, today I am going to teach you SST, means Social Studies. Before teaching, I just want to tell you the meaning of social studies, means studies of society, as you all live in society. What we wear, where we live, what we eat, what we explore, what we do, what we talk. So, we will study social science, means SST. So our today's topic is globes and maps. I will tell you about subtopics also. Size, shape and size, globes and maps, differentiate between globes and maps. First, I will take the topic shape of the earth. So I am going to start with the shape of the earth. I'll ask you a few questions and you please raise your hands to give the answers. So my first question is, where do you live? Can we give any answer? Please, I want responses. Yes, Deepika? Speak. Yes?
Ma'am, we all live on Earth.
Earth. Very good. Very good answer. So, yes. So, we will talk about Earth. Today, we will talk about Earth. So, Earth is our home. People believe that the Earth was flat. Earlier, people पहले लोग सोचते थे कि Earth क्या है? Flat है. Flat. Have you seen the flat things like a sheet of paper, like table, surface of the table? These are flat. But it was proved by several astronomers that the shape of the Earth is round. So we will study about the shape of the Earth. So the different views are there. So I will talk about the who discovered first and proved that the Earth was round or Earth is round. We'll study. See, here is Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, led an expedition and proved that the Earth was round. In 1519, just see, listen the story carefully. In 1519, Magellan sailed from a place called Salaville in Spain with 5 ships. He had taken 5 ships. Then in 1522, one of his ship returned back to the same place. Means from where they had started the journey, same place they have returned. So this proved that means they have taken the round. We are taking the round. We are taking go round the mulberry bush. You have studied so like that. This proved that the Earth was round. The astronauts who have gone to the space have also confirmed that the Earth is spherical in shape. So, few screens will appear on your phone. You see them carefully. So, this is the picture of morning scene. See carefully. See, every morning we see the sun rising in the east. It comes out like a big ball of fire, which gives to heat and light. At night, there are moon with millions of other brightly shining stars, and it looked like hanging in the sky. Something is brightly things hanging in the sky. See the picture carefully. Astronauts who went up in the space could see our Earth just like the heavenly bodies, sun, moon, stars. They are going there, but we see from the Earth that we see all these things from the Earth. You are on the Earth and these all appeared on the sky. You are saying sky, that is space. And astronauts went there to explore something new. They had taken pictures from there, different types of pictures of the. So I will again come back to you. Can you name some astronauts? Do you know the names of some astronauts? Please raise your hand. Yes. Janvi Slatia, yes.
Ma'am, Neil Armstrong. Ma'am, Neil Armstrong.
Yes. Any other girl? Jia Malik? Yes, Jia Malik? Yes, give me answer.
Armstrong. Neil Armstrong.
Any other?
Yuri Gagarin.
Okay.
Yuri.
Yes, yes, right answers. Okay. Yes, yes, speak, speak. May I? Yes, you can.
Ma'am, Neil Armstrong.
Yes. Tanushri Jambal. Tanushri Jambal, give me answer. Good students, which standard is good?
Ma'am, Rakesh
Speak out.
Sharma.
Very good, Indian. Indian person.
Rakesh.
Do you know what the Rakesh Sharma said to Indira Gandhi when Indira Gandhi asked him, how is our India is look like? He said, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. ये आप मम्मा को बोलना, आपको दिखाएंगे यूट्यूब पे कि क्या बोला था जब हमारी इंदिरा गांधी थी ना प्राइम मिनिस्टर, when she asked about that Sijan Kaur. Yes, yes, Sijan Kaur.
Ma'am, Kalpana Chawla, Valentina Tereshkova, Rakesh Sharma.
Very nice, very good, very good. Okay, then you again come back to the screen. Good. See how they are going to the space. See, the jet is going up. See, when Rakesh Sharma got success, moon, he went on moon. Just see flag, Indian flag, and salute. Yes, good. See, NASA. What is the full form of NASA? Speak, who knows the full form of NASA? Yes. Give me answer. Yes. Deepika. Full form of NASA?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, I will tell you. No problem. I'll come back again. Nation. Okay. Okay, I'll give you this answer just to find that. Okay. Now see the picture, few pictures of astronauts. You can see the pictures. See here. So now pictures of the astronauts taken different pictures of globe. Means our Earth from the space. See round pictures. You can see. Yes. Yes. Good. Now we can say the astronauts who have gone to space have also confirmed that the Earth is spherical in shape. So I have to tell you the full form of NASA. Listen carefully. National Aeronautics and Space. Listen carefully. I'll ask you again then. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Might be you have seen film of Akshay Kumar. They have explored something. Mangalyaan. He was working there in the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. So keep watching television also for these things. So the Earth is divided into continents and oceans. You can see picture here, continents and oceans. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans. Continents means landforms, countries. And oceans means water bodies. So the extreme north and the extreme south points of the Earth are called the poles. We'll talk about in next chapter continents and oceans. First we have to see about the globe. Just see globe. Might be you have seen this. See carefully the picture of globe. See extreme north up on the top and down south. Just observe this carefully. Yes, north and south. We call them south point. North and south points of the earth are called poles. These are known as North Pole and the South Pole. So a globe is an exact model of the earth. It represents the earth in a simple and right way, accurate way. It helps us to see the distribution of continents and oceans of the on the earth. See the globe. So we will study about demerits of the globe. Means faults of the globe, disadvantages of the globe. A globe does not show the detail of landforms, location of small towns, etc. You can see here, we are not able to see and not showing in the globe the landforms, lands, the location, where are the small towns, where is the Jammu, we are not able to find small towns. So globes don't show the entire earth at a time. Large globes can show some details, but they are difficult to handle, difficult to carry. How can we carry the big जो globes होते हैं, इसमें क्या हम नहीं, इनसे हमें फायदा है वो ये है कि हम ग्लोब में हमें डिटेल्स नहीं दिखाई देती, कहाँ लैंड है, कहाँ माउंटेन्स हैं, कहाँ रिवर्स हैं, और हमें पता नहीं चलता है कहाँ जम्मू है, कहाँ सांबा है, कहाँ दिल्ली है, कहाँ अलग अलग डिफरेंट प्लेसेस हमें नहीं पता चल पाती. Only continents or oceans we can see clearly, but others no. So we can say globes don't show the entire, पूरा whole earth, पूरी जमीन को हम नहीं देख सकते ग्लोब पे. जो बड़े बड़े ग्लोब्स तो आते हैं उसमें डिटेल्स होती हैं, लेकिन डिफिकल्ट होता है उसको हैंडल करना. कैसे लेके जाओगे हर समय, हमें कुछ रास्ता find कुछ. आजकल now the times the Googles is there, no problem, but we have to carry the maps, so we are carrying the map. The other alternative is map. So it is very difficult to carry globes around. So the alternative is maps. So maps are the drawing part of the whole. You have seen the map, flat surface we can draw on the sheet of the paper. The earth's surface on a flat, then they may represent a small area of a country or continent or the entire world. You can draw on the maps and you can find on the map a small areas also. There different types of maps are coming up. The state map is also coming. Countries maps are also coming. So we are compiled together. We are joining together all the maps and what we call an atlas. अभी हम कहते हैं ना एटलस है, बुक क्या, मैप की बुक है. तो इस तरह के छोटे छोटे सारे मैप को हम कंपाइल करते हैं, इकट्ठा जोड़ते हैं, तो क्या बन जाती है, बुक बन जाती है. Then we call that book is an atlas. So maps are drawing of a part of the whole of the earth. पूरी अर्थ को हम मैप को या उसके पार्ट को अलग अलग करके ड्रा कर सकते हैं. They may represent a small area भी दिखाते हैं कंट्री का और कॉन्टिनेंट and the entire world. So details भी दिखा सकते हैं और छोटे छोटे areas भी दिखा सकते हैं. The maps that depict means show करते हैं small areas have greater details. छोटे छोटे areas की भी बड़ी बड़ी details बताई होती है वहां पे. अब फिर एग्जाम्पल ही ले लो, आपने जम्मू की ही एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं हम. जम्मू वहां दिखाया होगा गांधीनगर कहाँ है, गांधीनगर में क्या क्या है, कैसे जाना है गांधीनगर में. वैसे वो उन्होंने एरो कर करके दिखाता है, तो इसको बोलते हैं रोड मैप बोलते हैं, कई बार हम उसको बोलते हैं रोड मैप of Jammu. Like different names are the maps, but we will not go in detail. You just know about differentiate between map and globe. While map we show large area, generally shows only important locations are basically the important. Suppose you have to draw the map of your school from home to school. When you are coming from home to school, what you have seen, your left, right, you have to tell how you are making the small things. If the shopkeeper is there, shop is there, you draw the shop on the way. On the way, what the important things, the hospital, popular hospital, you can show. Vishal Mega Mart, those who are coming from the Kunjwani side, they can write Mega Mart is there. Then till school, what you have seen, then you can draw on the map. I'll give you this project afterwards. So We can say collection of maps bound together in a book is called an atlas. So you can hang maps on the walls of your room also. They are available in many sizes in the market. You can have any sizes of that maps. They are also used in a class to teach students. See how I am teaching you. I am showing you map. If I were in the school, then I can show you the map on. I would show the map on the screen, that hanging map. Types of maps. So we go to the types of map. This map which appeared on the screen, it is a political map. The political map shows political boundaries of the countries, states and districts. So this is physical map. You can see colors, different colors on the map. See, the physical map shows landforms and water bodies like mountains, plains, plateaus, valleys, rivers, seas, and oceans. In one map, all physical features. See here, colors are also there. Mountains, sign they have in hill ranges. See, orange color, mountain regions, mostly sometimes light brown we are saying. Plateau region, yellow. Plain region, greenery plain, grass is there, that's why they have drawn plain. Third, deserts, desert areas, rivers, you can see there, it's written here already, desert areas. So in this way, this is different types of map. Political map, now India physical map. Now you can see other maps of India, thematical, annual rainfall and distribution. I will tell you. See, apart from the political and physical map, you should know about first political and physical map. There are also special maps are also there. So they show rainfall, the quantity of rainfall, how much rainfall. Then vegetation, flora and fauna, animals and plants, hills, mountains, rivers, oceans, railways and roadways. These we can say these are special maps. In this India thematical annual rainfall distribution over 200 centimeter, 100 to 200 centimeter. So this you should just know about the types of the maps. India physical, again I am showing you. See, yes, irrigation. How can you use water for it? Canals, tank, different types of maps. These are special maps. If you have to study these maps, we say special types of maps. So now we come to the signs and the symbols. Maps have a language. How can we understand the maps? Maps have a language of their own, which consists of signs and symbols. For example, rivers. How can we find the river? Roadways, railways, temples, and schools are marked by a sign or a symbol. On a map, just now I told you about when you are making a map of that from home to school. I told you to draw hospital, picture of hospital, picture of malls. In same way, there are the signs. If you have to show the international boundary, just see the signs. These are the signs. State boundary, metallic road, forest, trees we have to make, capital city. Might you have seen on the map when you see the Delhi, there is one dot they are putting in the map, dot, capital city, bridge, पुल बोलते हो जिसको, नहर के ऊपर पुल बना है. Temple, see, church, post office, PO we are writing, police station, PS we are writing. So these are the symbol. Yes. So map have a language. जैसे आप अपनी बात किसी को समझाने के लिए भाषा बोलते हो ना, English बोलते हो, हिंदी बोलते हो. So in this way, map has also a language on which consists of signs and symbols. You can see on your screen. See carefully. I'll wait for you. Yes, see carefully. These signs and symbols are also known as the conventional signs and symbols. Other names are conventional signs and symbols. Maps contain keys that help us to understand these symbols. We can see key, help. These symbols give us help to understand the maps. So there are also colors on a map. Apart from the signs and symbols, different colors are there. See, again I'll come to the physical map. Yes, physical map. See, for colors. Apart from signs and symbols, different colors are used to represent different landforms and water bodies on the map. See here. You can see in the index also. The small boxes are there. We are saying index of the map. Yes, indexes are there. You can see. Yes, see. For example, plains are represented in green. See, plain region is written also in green. And see the map. All the areas which are in green are all plain regions, plain area. Which are in green. You have studied the map, political map of India in 4th standard. You can see the plain regions. Yes, it's green. Desert in yellow. See the desert areas. See, Rajasthan, yellow. Yes. While mountains and highlands, जो ऊंचे हैं, पहाड़ हैं और ऊंचे हैं, वो देखो किस कलर में रिप्रेजेंट किए हुए हैं, ब्राउन. And oceans, see the brown color carefully. Yes, Himalayas written here. Himalayas, great Himalayas is in brown color. Yes. Shivalik hills, Jammu and Kashmir, Shivalik hills. Oceans, see the blue, yes, water bodies, oceans in blue color. Again, I will show you the index. Yes, I will show you the index. Yes. Again, I will show you the colors so that you can understand better. Yes, mountains in brown, desert yellow. See, plain regions green, rivers blue. Yes. So what we studied today, studied about our earth shape, about astronauts, how they have given the shape of the earth because they had taken picture from the space. So we have studied about the continents and oceans. This will do separately in the map. Then I will explain you the continents and oceans. You can see here, see the continents and oceans. See, North America, continent, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia. Means 7 down when you come. Antarctica. These all are 7 oceans. Continents. Now oceans are here. Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean again, the both sides. Yes. Yes. Now I'll come back to you. If you have any doubt, so if you have any doubt, ma'am, please clear my doubt. Of course, I'll clear. I'm here to clear your doubts only. Come, say. Yes, Arvind. Yes, Arvind.
Hello. Hello.
You can write also. Go to chat box and you can write also. If your mama is there, tell. Harleen Kaur?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, speak out.
Ma'am, what is international boundary?
What?
Ma'am, what is international boundary?
हाँ, आप कहाँ रहते हो? इंडिया में. इंडिया क्या है? आपका नेशन है. जब एक देश के बाद दूसरे फॉरेन कंट्री तो इंटरनेशनल हो जाते हैं. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इंटरनेशनल। दूसरे देशों के नाम बताओ इंटरनेशनल। आप अपने मैप पे बाउंड्रीज देखते हो ना, वो इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्रीज बोलते हैं। आउट ऑफ इंडिया, आउट ऑफ इंडिया। ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
यस। एनी अदर? अक्षिता चौधरी, यस अक्षिता चौधरी।
Ma'am, I want to ask that what is more that?
Or what? You write on the chat. Spelling, speak
Okay.
spelling. Okay, full form of NASA. I'll tell you the full form of NASA. I'm going to write in chat. Please see. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Today you tell your parents, show you Mangalyaan movie. Okay? See that movie Mangalyaan. Understood? Then I'll ask you question in next class. Okay. Then Deepika, ask me question. Yes, Deepika. Speak clearly.
Ma'am, can you explain signs and symbols again?
Yes, why not? Signs and symbols, yes. See, like us, we are speaking language ना, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, अपने विचार प्रकट करते हैं। तो हमें लैंग्वेज की, आप मम्मी को कैसे बोलते हो मुझे दूध चाहिए, बोल के बोलते हो ना, इस तरह से हमें मैप समझने के लिए साइंस और सिंबल्स बनाए गए हैं। तो इनकी लैंग्वेज है, उसमें साइंस एंड सिंबल्स हैं। जब आपने मैम रोड मैप का देखना तो रोड्स गाड़ियां बनाई होंगी वहां पे, तो हमें पता चल जाता है कि हमें रोड मैप है। रिवर है तो वहां रिवर्स, ब्लू रिवर्स बताए होंगे, साइंस बताई होती है ब्लू। माउंटेन्स देखनी है तो ब्राउन ब्राउन कलर यूज किया होगा। माउंटेन्स, हिल्स बनाएंगे, ट्रीज, फॉरेस्ट दिखाना तो ट्रीज ट्रीज बताए। तो साइंस एंड सिंबल्स है। मैप हैव अ लैंग्वेज लाइक अस, मैप हैव आल्सो अ लैंग्वेज on which consist of signs and symbols. For example, rivers find करनी है, रोडवेज फाइंड करनी है, रेलवे है तो ट्रैक्स बनाए होते हैं रेलवे के, टेम्पल्स है तो टेम्पल की शक्ल बनाई होती है, स्कूल्स है तो स्कूल की शक्ल बनाई होगी है। अंडरस्टूड? स्पेस में ओशन नहीं होते, स्पेस में हेवनली बॉडीज होती है, सन, मून, स्टार्स। स्पेस खाली जगह होती है, आसमान है स्पेस। 5 oceans. I talk to you in next class oceans of oceans, and only you just say oceans are water bodies. Any homework I'll tell you, send you in the snap homework. Homework na, you watch movie. I told you Mangalyaan, you watch movie and I'll ask questions about NASA. Yes, I will tell you more about globes and maps. So I'll tell you about the merits and demerits of the globes. The globes are very difficult to handle. See, your pocket is small. How can you put your globe in the pocket? So maps we can put. So globes are not comfortable to carry as it is large and solid होते हैं वो. मॉडल होता है वो, अर्थ का मॉडल है. And all details cannot be shown on it, so not much useful. We cannot make a globe for a part of an area. हम एक पार्ट का नहीं बना सकते globe. We cannot make. It can show only one side of the earth. वो एक ही साइड बताता है अर्थ की. अब उसको रोटेट करना पड़ता है, फिर हम एक ही साइड, एक साथ हम पूरी अर्थ नहीं देख पाते मैप पे, उसके ग्लोब पे, लेकिन मैप में देख पाते हैं एज कंपेयर टू ग्लोब एंड मैप. तो मैप का क्या है? मैप cannot show the correct shape of the earth. मैप हमें शेप की, अर्थ की शेप तो नहीं बताता है, बट एक फ्लैट एरिया पे हमें ड्रा करें तो हमें मेरिट्स उसके पता चलते हैं. सिंबल्स हम ड्रा कर सकते हैं टू अंडरस्टैंड द मैप. सो टू रीड द मैप करेक्टली एंड एक्यूरेटली वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द लैंग्वेज. हमें लैंग्वेज पता होनी चाहिए. A small map has a small arrow on the right hand corner. वो नॉर्थ होता है ऊपर, नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन, just opposite of to. We will talk about the directions also in the next class. I'll tell you about the directions also. Okay. Any other question? Yes. Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the question. Ask me question.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you explain me once again?
What is?
Ma'am, can you explain me once again?
What once again? What thing?
Ma'am,
You
about
read the
math.
chapter. You read the chapter. Then you are able to know the things. You need to read the chapter also.
Okay, ma'am.
Which topic I have to explain you? Tell me.
Ma'am, about satellites.
I didn't speak any satellite. Pravleen Kaur Palak, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, map is a drive.
क्या? Speak, beta.
Ma'am, drawing होता है. Ma'am, is map is a drawing.
मैप कहाँ राउंड होता है? मैप फ्लैट होता है ना. राउंड क्या है? अर्थ राउंड है ना. अर्थ को रिप्रेजेंट करता है मैप. मैप पे हम अर्थ को बताते हैं फ्लैट पेपर पे. अर्थ राउंड है. अर्थ राउंड है. मैप को हम अर्थ को ड्रा करके बता सकते हैं मैप पे. अर्थ में जो एरियाज है, फीचर्स है, जो क्वालिटीज है, जो चीजें हमें फाइंड करनी है. अर्थ राउंड है.
Ma'am, I am saying that map is a drawing.
Your voice is not clear. Tell your mother to write. Network problem you are having. Yes. There are 7 oceans. Who has written there are 7 continents and 5 oceans? Okay, then. Okay, Priyal Gupta. Yes, Priyal Gupta.
Ma'am, what is metal road?
Metal road, which we can जिसमें एक पे पड़ा हुआ है विलेज में कौन सी रोड होती है? कच्ची रोड. तो एक होती है पक्की रोड होती है जो उसको मेटेलिक रोड बोलते हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
हाईवेज, नेशनल हाईवे होती है ना पक्की रोड, उसको बोलते हैं. जिसमें मेटल्स पड़े होते हैं, आयरन्स पड़े होते हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
Then Tavisha Mahajan.
मैम हमें एनसीईआरटी की बुक्स लगनी है.
आपको अभी बुक्स का नहीं पता है? अभी आपको
मैम पता है, पर मैम मेरी मम्मा पूछ रही है कि एनसीईआरटी की बुक्स लगनी है या फिर जो मैम ने हमें लिस्ट दिया उसकी.
वही अभी तक तो वही बुक है जो विस्तास की सोशल स्टडीज आपने ली हुई है ना, लॉन्ग मैन की, वही है.
ओके मैम.
लॉन्ग मैन विस्तास की नोटबुक है, वही है अभी आपकी.
ओके मैम.
ओके.
थैंक यू मैम.
7 continents are there. There are 7
Okay,
continents. You don't worry, we'll study in detail oceans and continents. Okay.
मैम.
Please stop. Ask me question about the topic. Extra question please don't ask. Related to the chapter you ask me question, related to the topic. Shape of the earth you have asked me about. Yes, single line notebook, no interleaf. Which notebook is at home? Use that. Yes. Ask me, yes. Sanvi. Yes, Sanvi.
Ma'am, what is international boundary?
इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्री जो हमारी कंट्री के बाहर है. आई शो यू द पोलिटिकल मैप.
ओके मैम.
पोलिटिकल मैप दिखाया ना, उसके साइड पे क्या है? पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, बांग्लादेश. बांग्लादेश, दीज आर ऑल द इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्रीज. और फिजिकल मैप दिखाया, उसमें कोई बाउंड्री नहीं बनी थी ना. तो पोलिटिकल मैप में बाउंड्रीज जो होती है इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्रीज होती. ओके, जो हमारी कंट्री के बाहर है. यस जिया मलिक.
Ma'am,
यस जिया मलिक.
ma'am, what is
You can write also. Yes, Namrata Datta. Yes, Namrata. Imanat. Yes, Imanat.
ma'am? What are
Question.
conventional
Yes.
signs? Ma'am, what are
Right also.
conventional signs and symbols?
Conventional symbols are other name of signs and symbols.
And
Which
symbols?
help us to study the map. Which help us to study the map. जो हमें help, जो हमें मैप पढ़ने में help करते हैं. Okay. The definitions are written in your book. Learn.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have taken Interleaf, you can use Interleaf notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any notebook you can use.
Okay, ma'am.
So, subtopic I have completed today, shape of the earth, globes and maps. Then we talk about in this next that class, oceans and continents, and differentiate and directions also we'll study about. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The chapter, please read the chapter and find
Okay,
out
ma'am.
the short, very short answer questions. I'll ask you. Reading is must. Very important reading. I'll tell you to read
Okay,
the chapter
ma'am.
also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, bye. Good afternoon, students. Study well.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.